Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kitchen Stories, Easy Recipes app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Kitchen Stories, Easy Recipes is a comprehensive cooking app that offers step-by-step recipe instructions, video tutorials, and meal planning features. Users can browse thousands of recipes, filter by ingredients or dietary preferences, and save favorites for easy access. The app also allows creating shopping lists, sharing recipes, and following seasonal cooking trends. Its offline access feature ensures recipes are available even without internet connectivity, making it a convenient tool for home cooks of all levels. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the high-quality instructional videos, intuitive interface, and visually appealing design. The app's search and filter functions make finding suitable recipes quick and easy, while the ability to plan meals and track ingredients helps streamline cooking and shopping routines. Sharing options and community interactions add extra value for recipe inspiration. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some premium content requires a subscription, which might not fit every budget. Users occasionally report slow loading of videos and minor syncing issues across devices. While the app is feature-rich, its effectiveness depends on consistent engagement. Infrequent users may not fully benefit from its planning and tracking features. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, Kitchen Stories, Easy Recipes may be worth using if you want a visually engaging, mobile-friendly platform for discovering, planning, and cooking meals. It excels in convenience, video-guided instructions, and meal organization. However, if you're not ready to invest in premium features or prefer a simpler, text-only recipe app, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.